back with another car video. And I told y'all the videos is gonna be on the GoPro. I'm just gonna stop making promises because I forgot the GoPro. But anyways, right now we're on the way to Caffeine and Octane. And we got a Hellcat in front of us. Let's actually catch up to it. Yeah. We got a Hellcat with us right here. You know what I'm saying? Wide body. And we do got an SRT Jeep behind us. I'm not sure where the Jeep went, but there is one behind us. I'm finna get y'all a thumbnail. Oh yeah, we got the cat right here. Oh yeah, the cat attack is, oh, we got the popo. Hold on, let's change this mode so I can see. All right. There go the SRT Jeep behind us. Oh, y'all can't even see, my fault. We got a little Camry TRO. I ain't gonna lie, that's what I got on GTA. All 5 of them. That's my car. Mine black though, you know. I ain't gonna lie, this Jeep behind me is on my ass crazy. So I'm finna get over it. It's a Wrangler, it's not even an SRT. They finna piss me off. There go the Jeep right there. Oh, wait! Oh, Jeep crazy. The Jeep is crazy. Yeah. We got like a gold Mustang up here. What the world? Boy, that junk look good. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I was looking at a Jeep. I don't think I would get a Jeep. Like I would as a second car, but I wouldn't as a like my only car. Unless it was a Trackhawk. We got an Alfa Romeo right there. Hold on one second, y'all. We do got the cars lined up. You know what I'm saying? Well, the cat just left the hell out of us. All this traffic, bro. Oh my God. We're just gonna stay behind the cat. When in the back, stay behind the cat. What are you talking about? I ain't gonna lie, he should get quad tips. Man, every time I come here, bro. Last time it was more than that. Like it was crazy traffic. But I'm loving the way my car is sounding in the cold, bro. Like it's popping. But I hope we get like a little bit more on the, like I hope we get to ride on the road somewhere, you know what I'm saying? Like I hope we just don't be in traffic the whole time, which I don't think we will. But I want to know what's holding us up. Man, if y'all want to see a video of me driving that cat, I don't know if y'all saw the other one I drove, the black one, the satin black one with the Trackhawk. Yeah. If y'all want to see me drive this Challenger, we can definitely make it happen. And if y'all want to see me drive the SRT, okay. If y'all see me drive the SRT, we could definitely make that happen too. Ooh, that rubber stinks. Man, I hate this traffic, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I wanna go on a track so bad. I wanna go on the drag strip and I wanna go on like the little circuit tracks. I don't know what they call, but like, y'all know what I'm talking about. Like you just drive in a circle and shit. I want to go in one of those. I just want to test my car, see how it feels. Even though my car is stock, I do just want to see, you know what I'm saying? Like, just to see what I could get. I'm gonna get y'all when we get out the traffic. It is a Lambo right there. I don't even know. Is that a Gallardo? Is that a Gallardo? Is that what it is? Gallardo? Whatever the fuck it's called. Is that what that is? I think that's what it is. I don't know though. So if that's not it, I'm sorry. Y'all just correct me in the comments. I don't know about Lambos too much. Like I literally just got, like I just figured out the difference between a Huracan and a SVJ. I mean see what I'm talking about? And a Ventador. And I know like the old ones, what's that old shit? I don't even know the name of it right now. Look, shot a recorder right there. Yeah, you follow with it? Yeah. You hear me? I ain't gonna lie, that be crazy. That used to be like one of my favorite Lambos when I was a kid. You know how you like the looks of the Lambos, you don't really know the names. Yeah, that was me. I like the way that one looked. I remember that was like in a few games. I remember Chris Brown had that shit. Alright, now I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get out of the traffic since y'all saw the Lambo. Alright, y'all, we are getting past the traffic now. Damn, that drone is crazy. Gotta wait for the SRT. I don't know where they went. Damn. I don't even know if I got that on camera. I was watching the road. So if I didn't, my fault. Yeah, we gotta hurry up and get up there to get over. Damn. Y'all hear them pops? This shit sound crazy down. Oh, I think that's a cop. Let me roll the windows back up before we got down. Yeah, the Rico. Man, you can see it's already oh shit, we in the middle of the road. It's already a lot of cars around. Just a bunch of stuff, honestly. Like, you see this fucking station wagon Benz. I'm in the middle of the road, bro. This is not good. Oh, shit. Better hope the light don't turn green. We in the middle of the road. Alright, now we out the road. You feel me? What? I'm about to get back behind you. I'm about to get back behind you. Fuck ass nigga. Should've pulled that big ass fucking wing off. VTEC Turbo. Fucking pussy ass car. I'm just kidding. If that's what you want to spend that amount of money on, go ahead. I would never buy nothing like that because it's like, bro, I don't even know how much these cost, but the Type R, I think they're like 40, bro. What the hell is going on? I really think the Type R is like 40 and it's slow. That's why I would personally never do that. But I would on some like, bro, this is, oh my gosh. I'm not even gonna talk shit about people's cars, but what the hell is this? If that's you, bro, take that shit off. That is an L for Mustangs, bro. And we sitting in the middle of the road again. Yeah, you hear me? Go fuck, nigga. Goddamn, that ugly ass car. Then he got the anime, them little, I don't even know what that is, but it's the anime with the like little clouds. It's like, I don't know. But he got that in the taillights. That might be cool, but I can't see him. It might be cool when he brakes. But since we are here, that's gonna be the end of this video. I'm gonna get out and record some for y'all. That might be in the that's gonna be in another, what the hell? I'm not gonna lie, that's crazy. Let me put the phone down. We got a copper. Whoa, what the hell? This rainbow ass. Bro, it's crazy. Like, let me go ahead and end this video. Y'all boys make sure y'all join the next one. I'm out.